Here's Mila enjoying her fun swim while she's boarding with us here at Boston Red Dog. She's a little bit tired now. It's towards the end of our swim, but let's see if you still got some in you. Ready? Mila, get it! Get that ball! Get that ball! Oh my goodness. She is one tired pup. Ready, Mila? Good. Come here. Oh. There you go. Good girl. Ready? Ready? You want that ball? Ready? Get it. Oh, there she goes. Come on. Oh, there she goes. Good job, Mila. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, what a good job. Ready? Go get that ball. Go get it. Yeah, good girl.